Good morning there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey friends, today we're up bright and early, getting the youngin' up, ready to go to school. I decided I'd step out here and make a quick video. Sunrise come up here in the back. As you can tell, it's already up, and where we're at, we know it's not a really bright full sunrise every morning, but hey, we tried the best we could. Anyway, we'll talk about a few things today. We are actually going to start getting cranked up more as far as making more videos on this channel, and we'll have a lot more how-to videos on automotive repair, home improvement. We might do a few gun videos and maybe some home protection videos of that nature right there. And I just want to let you guys know that all that's going to be coming. You might end up getting at least a video per day, coming on this channel. I want to thank all the subscribers out there that I currently have, and I want to try to be better at answering comments, okay? And I'm terrible about that. I mean, I'm just downright terrible. I hardly ever sit down and answer comments, and I'm sorry about that, and I'm going to try to do better. And actually, in this video here this morning, I'm going to point out a couple comments that I have seen in a recent month or so, and I want to read them to you. And I'm going to give my comment here in this video because these are very good comments. They kind of touch my heart a little bit and make me realize that what I'm doing here is a good thing for everybody. How to teach people how to do things to help them through life. I mean, it's a good thing. It's a positive thing. It's part of giving back to society, So here we go. Let me set my coffee down here a minute. Oh, goodness. All right, let me set this down. Hopefully my dog Sammy won't grab it. All right, we got first comment. I won't tell the people's last name. I'll just say their first name. First guy's name is Jason, and I believe this is on one of my tool videos where I was showing how to use a particular tool. And he says, really enjoyed your video. I'm a new homeowner and just started picking up some power tools to make some shelving and a workbench. I didn't grow up in a family that used tools and didn't have shop class in high school, so I really appreciate these tips. Jason, I'm glad I could help you, buddy. That's the kind of comments that keep me wanting to do this type of videos for everybody. And I'm glad that you can learn a few things from the videos that I put out there. All right, so here we go. Here's another one that actually about a month ago or so, it was on another how-to video. This guy's name was Boston. I won't say his last name either, but he may not want that. But this one kind of touched my heart a little bit. He said, I really appreciate your video. Your practical advice helps me feel like I learned a trick along with some basic instruction of how to use the tool. I like your presentation and comfort level. Keep making videos. There's lots of people like me who never had a dad to show me anything, so I need all the help I can get. You're pretty cool. Hey, Boston, I'm glad that I was able to help you, buddy. And lots of young folk out there that I realize, they don't sometimes have a lot of father figure in their life to teach them some stuff. So I'm really glad that I can help guys like you, okay? Makes me feel good. Gets me a little choked up. Come here, Sammy. Let's see if the people can see you. Come here, buddy. Come here. Step back here a little bit. Sammy, we took him to the groomers the other day and got him all cleaned up. He's looking really good. He's looking real good. He looks a lot better than last year when I tried to trim him up myself. I ended up butchering him up pretty bad. But he's looking good. I will definitely, that will be one how-to video that I will never make, is how to trim a dog, because I learned my lesson. It only cost me like 65 bucks, and that's one job that I will leave to the professionals right there, friends. Come here, Sammy. Can they see you? I don't think they can see you. Yeah, they can see you a little bit in the film. All right, guys. Hey, just wanted to let you know that Minthillbilly's back. We're going to be making some videos. They're going to be coming soon. Tell all your friends about it. You know, subscribe, whatever. Anyway, we will see you very soon. Have a great day.